Find these. I don't know what they are, but I hear baggy pants are back in. So check these out. These are, let me put my glasses on. Urban Revival. I'm not sure what they would sell for. I've had these for about 15 years, believe it or not. They're all embroidered. They're really cool. The whole fronts are embroidered. Let's see here. These are really cool. They're very large. I don't even know what size they are. I'd have to measure. Not sure where the tag would be even. But these are pretty cool. And then I have another pair right here. Let's see. This pair is really cool too. These have. Let's see if I can open them up without knocking anything over. These are 42 by 34. And I do not even know what brand they are. If you know what brand this is, let me know. So, nothing on the front. Let me flip them over. They're so cool. I think I just never listed them because I didn't know anything about them and I couldn't find anything on them. But these are pretty wild. All embroidered. This is really cool. And then I have a pair of shorts here. And let's see what these are. Not sure what's the name. Gaddy. And let's see the front. Here's the fronts, which are pretty cool. Well, these are baggy shorts. So I'm going to flip them over. These are really cool. I heard these were back in style. Let's see, they're all falling down. There. Now you can really see them. How cool is that?